Okay. Here we go. Hello, I'm Charlie. Welcome to my cooking show. I have a mic now, so it's good and the sound is great. This is Jim. He is my assistant for today.
Hi there.
Today, we will be making shrimp. So what you'll need for shrimp, you will need the following. Olive oil, extra virgin. Doesn't focus well. Alright, salt. Alright, let's stop bringing it close to the camera because it takes a while to focus. Alright. Shrimp. Once it focuses, because that's the main component. God, it's really not focusing. Oh, there we go. Shrimp. You'll need this grinder thing because onions, which I chopped and I probably shouldn't have, because it would be better if I chopped them on camera. As well as a wok, lovely wok, a stove with a fan and lights, and an oven. You won't need the oven for this, however. So you want to start by washing your hands, which I've already done. And not lying. And this is what a shrimp looks like. It doesn't feel nice because it's cold and wet. Wait, let's get a noise. Oh. So step one is taking your olive oil and putting some in here.
The wok.
In the wok. We'll have real oily shrimp. You want to mix it around. Yeah. So now, I'm gonna need you to follow me with that. So now you take your shrimp. Oh, whoops. Before you take your shrimp, you need to do the following. Jim?
Yeah. Fire it up.
Do the honors of turn it to high.
I'll do it.
It's on high. Yeah, so you want it on high heat.
This is a real nice oven.
It's a real nice oven.
Stovetop.
A lot of money.
Also known as a range.
Alright. So now, you take your shrimp and you put it, kind of focus it, you put it all on here. Sizzling.
Yeah.
You want to take your salt and put some on there. So now you have your salt on there. I don't know why I'm yelling. So now, once it's cooking, you're gonna take some onion, take some garlic, and you're gonna want to use this and put the garlic in there so it tastes good. You can also add some honey, which will give it some cool flavor.
Charlie,
What do you use some pepper?
what do we use for decoration?
We can
Garnish.
We can figure that out.
Why isn't it focused?
Yeah. That's good. Time to eat. This has been Cooking with Me. Thank you.
Charlie's cooking for you.
Thanks, Jim.
You're sure welcome.